Um, Hello guys. If you could let me know you can hear me. We'll go to last one. I'm late 52 minutes. Yeah. Oh my God. What can I say? Um, Hello guys. What can I say? Actually the reason. What reason I want to give? I'm tired, man. Coming back from a night shift. I went to the gym. Come back home at 10 and 10 to 2. I went for sleep considering I have to wake up. So we'll do that later, discuss that later. Right now, I really wanted to focus on Bitcoin right now. At the moment, this is 1 minute time from chart. We have been going down. I was not anticipating this move by the charts, from the charts. By the way, at this point when it trade, when it get the bounce from this four out of fill, I was like anticipating it should have to invert this four out of fill gap and try to be bullish, but it never gone all the way toward the upside. It is going down and down. Just after the new day opening as well, it has been going down toward low. This is a 4 out of fill gap it has created, and at 9:30 market opened at this range. It was going down. It created higher low at this range. Before the opening it went down, disrupt these lows, and disrupt this major low as well. I was anticipating just after the opening, as it was going down, continuation to a downside to this low as well. It could reverse as well. This was also I was thinking about. It could be bullish as well. Maybe this morning session market has to reverse, and this is what we've seen: aggressive bullish price action from the charts at this range, which is difficult to trade. I prefer not to trade these kind of price action, because I don't know if it is really bullish or not. I don't know. So right now it is going toward upper side. We have seen aggressive bullish price action. It has created this 5 minute time frame gap, keeping it open, which is good. So I'm aligning myself more of like on the way market is representing to me. So far, all of those 1 minute time frame candle market has not gone any of these 1 minute time frame candle below wick, which is a positive sign. This is a fairly gap market. As keep it open, we have this high at this range and the low of the whole autumn fairly gap and the VWAP as well. For now, I'm just chasing this. It is possible that maybe market has to be bullish on this morning session. Market could continue to be bullish as well. Try to fill this 4 out of fairly gap as well, and you cannot deny the considering if this 4 out of him close above this 4 out of him will get, but okay. So if yeah, yesterday we made a mistake. I've been yeah, we took two trades for a swing trade in here. We took two trades for a swing trade in here yesterday, got stopped out both of them. I was anticipating a bullish price action from this range, a reversal. I was chasing the bottom both of the time. I do chase the bottom, that's why I paid the price, but market did not went toward upside. When it create this 4 out of bullish candle, I was like, next 4 out from candle should have to be bullish, invert this 4 out of fairly gap and be bullish. But I was chasing the bottom. This is my bottom. This is my bottom. This is the movement. That's why I paid the price for this. So you should never have to do that. You can anticipate the bottom, but chasing the bottom is different. I always could have trade at this range, inversion of this 4 out of fairly gap. I could have traded this easily for the bullish continuation toward upper side, but I was chasing the bottom at this range. But so far it's fine. We got stopped out twice for the swing trade. I was looking for swing trade at this range, but we took two trades on my real account yesterday, one positive, one negative. Overall, it was a positive day. I did not trade the market after that. Uh, yeah, I was at my job late night. Uh, I don't know. In my mind, there's my mind is so depressed right now. I need sleep. Yeah. So if you watch out, we're getting bounced from this range. I'm feeling a little sick as well. Just give me a second. I'll be back. I have to go washroom. So as we've seen this aggressive bullish price action from here, this is 1 minute of a gap. This is a bullish order block. I wanted to say this VWAP should have to be knocked off, and yeah, after that, and let's see if, how market will perform. I don't know. This is difficult to trade on. Maybe we'll see. Maybe if we get the quick scalp trade, we'll see. But so far, I don't know. Maybe just go look for a quick scalp, because if it is not going down, because this is more of like downside pricing. If it is not going down, which is difficult to trade, and I do not want to chase the bottom until unless we have this 4 hour time frame close above this fairly gap, and this bullish this previous 4 hour time frame candles, and until unless we are below, as long as we are below this 4 hour time frame fairly gap and those levels, we are bearish. Like we have this major low and this major low, and we have all of the this weekly fairly gap in here. Daily time frame we have, it is possible market could hold this area, but so far I'm just watching and observing the charts, not doing anything. Oh my god. So this is I don't know, man. I'm quite confused which way market will go from here. I'm actually confused. I don't know. On big objective time, I don't know which way, but no, man. This is a 4 out of 5. We'll see if market will show rejection from this range, try to come down, or maybe not sure which way it could go from here. We don't need this one for now. Just need to VWAP. For now, we need this. This is this was just after the new day opening, going down, down, down. Look at this. Difficult to get into trade in here. This is also difficult, not easy trading. This we don't need this for now. I don't know. This is the way that it has kept this 5 minute after fairly gap open. This is at 10 o'clock right now, so maybe this morning session market has to be bullish. In that case scenario, we could fill this 4 out of fairly gap, and let's see. I don't know, man. I cannot go for any kind of trading. I'm quite confused which way it could go from here. Really confused. I don't know, man. This morning session could be bullish the way we got the aggressive bullish price section from here. I'm anticipating market continue to be bullish from here, but I'm not really confident to. Even though if it market continue to be bullish from here, I may not trade because I'm not confident. I'm not obvious. It could possible, maybe it could have to make a retest and then continue to be bearish. Maybe it could remain choppy, and we can anticipate this today. A likely possibility market could remain choppy. The reason is we have no news today. Tomorrow we have a non-farm employment and PMI. These two news. So at 1:15 and 3 p.m. A day before the news market remains choppy, and then Thursday we may have nothing on charts. Friday we have another non-farm employment and hourly earning unemployment. So this has been due for the last month as well. It has not given. They have not, because of the government shutdown. I'm not really bothered about the new like a news trader, but I really do watch about these news who may have an impact on the price, a volatility on the price. Some people are actually a pure a news trader. They keep an eye on news, what is happening, what is not. So they trade like that, which is also very. I have seen most of the people make money on this. They do swing trades on people how the, for example, these prime minister went to this country, what they have done, what is it they had made a trade on, what they talk about. They made a trade about business, weapons, so they will have a stock definitely, and they just went to their exchange and then just buy those stocks. It will go up definitely, go down definitely. So I've seen some people do that. This is also a thing you can trade for a swing trade. It's like trading the news, trading the people, betting on people. This is also a thing you can do. So you guys, just a second. I'll be back. I have to go to wash my kid. Sorry guys, I'm back. I'm really confused right now. So yeah, my job is to be in front of the charts. My job is to remain open, keep my mind open, and just watch and observe. This is my job, so I have to do my job, no matter how market will perform. I feel like I'll be sick today or tomorrow, maybe feeling like that because the weather is changing. It's getting cold, so 15-minute time frame. Just watching and observing. Going to buy in here, it is difficult. Going to buy in here, I don't know. Some people do that. Some people do trade the sessions only. They anticipate, oh, how was the previous session? How was this Asian session? How was this London session? If you go to just 5-minute time frame. So market open today is today's Tuesday. It went down after midnight opening New York time, which is more of like 5 o'clock early in the morning. London session, 5 to more like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 London time, or just open and then aggressively going down. And if you could see, if you go to London time in here, 5 o'clock, most of the 6, 7, 8, 7, 8. After that, it remained completely choppy. 9, 10. London session, choppy session. We have seen that more of a like downside. Okay, we have the New York session coming up, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. This is more of like 6, 7, 8, 9. Market remain bearish. Oh my god, again I have to go to washroom because I have to remove my throat. It always happen like that. I always go to whenever I have this thingy. Uh, Look at this. It has shown rejection from the VWAP, and then like how what level you want to trade and what level you want to. For example, if it should show rejection, okay, it's fine. Just wick and what level you will target to. For example, if you want to go for trade, this 5 minute of affiliate gap, we don't know. It is choppy for me. It is highly likely it will remain like that. Highly likely it will remain like that. And yeah, I can do a couple of things. Just close the charts, go to sleep. This is one option for me. And the second option is set up my risk management and I shift my stop loss to very close to the previous level, like stop dot, not losing more than that. And then I just close my position. I was more of like a little bit scared because that day yesterday already had a stop loss hit on previous trade. Already have taken one trade. It was positive. Overall, a day was going positive. I was like, bro, I don't want my day to be negative. And then um I have to go for my job as well. I was like, I may not be in front of the charts as well. I have to close this position. This is what I think, and then just close my position. And after that, market went all the way to 1%. And just I was thinking about this press section, and I did not watch out the market after that. I was just close my position. We took demo trade in here, by the way. Demo trade, I let the trade run. Shift my stop loss, I let the trade run. I've taken a good demo trade yesterday. It was a good demo trade after a quite long time. I left the demo trade run, and when I was thinking about this, I was like, bro, you should never define your past trade. Maybe if you're taken a trade a minute ago to define your next trade setup, you should not do like that. You forgot about this. Is what I just told myself at that. I was thinking about this, like, bro, do not think about what happened in past. If you think you're risking not too much, if you think this is always trade, if you think you should take this trade, I was keep on telling myself, bro, go for the trade, go for the trade. This is a good trade. This is a good setup. Go for the trade. Go for the trade. This is the thing. Sometimes little bit quite confused sometime about this. Like mine self always told me go for a trade, go for a trade. And in these kind of days, like when this happened, and I cannot be able to did not any to took any trade, did not take that trade. I missed this trade, for example. And that point, I feel like, oh, bro, I was telling you to buy. But this is what. Sorry, guys, I'll be just be back within a minute. Sorry, guys, I'm back. Oh, this thing will continue going back and forth in the washroom to through my throat. Oh my god, feeling tired. Okay, so I have a couple of options right now. I can go for a sleep, 2 hours, then I have to go to my visit my sister house. First option. Second option is, oh, could be because we are going after leaving after 2 hours, so I'll be in front of the church for 2 hours, and then go with them, and then we come back early home. Early, go for bed early, wake up early. This is the thing that sounds to me nice for now. Okay, so at this point, I enter a trade, man. I enter this trade. I enter my setup. I enter my stop loss. This was this 1 minute time frame fairly gap. This was this 1 minute time frame fairly gap. When market invert this trade and it was trading at this range, I enter the trade. My finisher stop loss is there. It created this week. I put my stop loss there when it created this week. I it just went toward this high and then I close. Just held my trade at this range. If I could have just held my trade at this range, which is what I like to, which is what I like to hold my trade. As long as I'm risking not too much, I wanted to see the market, to see if what I'm anticipating, if it is going to play out or not. And then let's make a close position go up. Just tap into this 1 minute of value gap. Have you seen market is going down below my pre this must have plus? No, 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 going up and up. It was a great trade. 400 to all the way $1,000 move trade. I missed this $1,000 move trade. I was risking a penny if I would have taken this trade. If we go to long position, for example, in here, we enter a market at this point. My initial stop loss was there, and I was looking. I was looking for VWAP. 5 hour trade. What do you want? And then it went toward upper side. You shift your stop loss below this low, this kind of low. 8 hour trade. Then you shift your stop loss all the way in here. A positive trade. 8 hour trade is a great trade. Amazing trade. And then I was just I closed my position. The reason I was a little bit scared, but because I was like, I'm already positive in a day. I did not want my day to be negative. This was the first reason. Second, I was like, I'm not in front of the charts. I have to go down, so I have to go for my job as well, so I have to close. This was the second reason. And for the second reason, they could have always be I would say counterattack. Counterattack means like, oh, I may not be in front of the charts, but I can just put my stop loss at break even and let the trade run, and put my alerts on. If something happen, I got to know by alerts and then close my position. That's it. If it got stopped out, I'll be at break even. It's fine. And then for the first reason, most probably the first reason, there was no counterattack for this. This was the actual reason. Like, oh, I don't want my day to be negative. Yes, this is fine. You can think like that, but you should never have to define your future trades considering how was your past trades. You have to think about right now on chart. So for you think you're risking not too much, as long as you're risking not too much, I'm fine. As long as I'm not risking too much, I can take any kind of trade as long as I'm risking. When I'm more of like scared to risking too much, this is the thing I really have to work on myself as well. For now, most of the time I risk too much, and I pay the price for this. I missed this very obvious trade yesterday. That's how it is. This is what we got to learn today, yesterday. Even though if you should never have to define your future trades right now moment. For example, you should never in your life as well. This is more of like life lesson. You never have to let your right now moment ruin or affect because your past was that different, or your past was bad or sad, or you're scared of from past. No, right now moment is the golden moment, and you have to enjoy it right now. Or you have to open to right now moment. You have to be in a present for the right now moment. The same thing in a trading. You have to think about right now moment. Forgot about the past. Oh, you have taken 2 10 3 trades. Forgot about them. It do comes into my mind. This thing do comes into my mind, bro. Forgot about the past. Think about right now. And when I started thinking like that, when think about right now, my mind, uh, my mind totally shift from this scared perspective to just focus on right now trades, right now moment. And I was confident. I was at the moment I get the confidence, but somehow I close the position. Somehow I close, and thousand. It's oh my god, this is a good trade. And you get this trade on Monday, your week is like, oh, you feel like, oh my god, you've done everything. But that's the important, yeah, bro. It is, yes, you can take a trade, you can miss a trade, you can You can make money on trades, you can lose on a trades. You can make millions on trades, you can make billions on trades, you can pass any of the funded account, you can blow your funded account. um this is part of this journey. It will happen, you will miss this trade. It is not a happening like, oh, it will never happen in your trading career that you will feel, oh, every trade you will take, it will be a positive trade. Every every funded account you will take it, you will make millions, billions. Yes, at some point, you when you have experience, when you have edge in your market, when you know what you're looking for, you're confident, your risk management is good, you're confident on your risk management as well. You look for obvious setup, obvious trades. At some point you will be making money, you will be going to upper side. This is inevitable. Because for that you have to do the reps, you have to push yourself, you have to be in front of the charts for ages, you have to be 16 hours in a day is less. Spending time in front of the charts watching 1 minute after 1 minute candle is way too less in front of the charts. 16 minutes, 16 hours in a day. You have to be 24 hours, you have to be in front of the charts, thinking about charts, doing the trading. How is it, how is that, how is that? By the time 6 months you do this, by that time you will have more experience. But the thing, this is the thing I was just thinking about yesterday. When I finished my trading session, I was traveling to my job, I was like, bro, yes, you have taken a trade, yes, you got stopped out in this trade, yes, overall your trade was positive trade. But there's always a right now next moment in front of you. There's always your life for a future right now, watching. Your future is always watching you right now, in front of you. How you deal with your future right now, and how do you want to deal your future right now? Having a myopic perspective or thinking about past? No, you have to be remain focused on charts. You have to always looking forward to the things. Yes, we have taken trade. Yes, we have missed this trade. Yes, we overall it was a positive day. But there's no denying about the fact that there's always a future who's watching you in front of you. There's always I would say, um things. There's always things in front of you. They are watching you, how you behave. And that though your behavior will define your future, how would you react to certain levels. That's why you have to be in the present, you have to be remain focused on future. Cannot be have a myopic perspective in life, considering, I have made this trade, I have made that much money, and then I can relax now. There's no relaxing for a man. There's no relaxing, man. There's no. You can take rest and relax is different things. You can take rest, it is fine taking a rest. But r- relaxing, settling down for what you have, settling down for a trade you have taken just now. Oh, it was a positive trade. Oh, it's fine. I'm not taking any trade. This is what I was thinking about last weeks as well. For a couple of weeks, I was just doing one trade. Oh, I've taken one trade. I'm content with this. I'm done with for a day. I'm not taking any trade for that. And then I was like, bro, no. You always have to prepare yourself for the next move on task. Yes, you have taken one trade, forgot about this, that, and you have to be cruel. You have to be cruel. You have to be cruel to this market. If you have to take a 7 trades, 8 trades. You are in front of the charts for 8 hours, 10 hours, 16 of 12 hours, for example, and then you just take one trade, a positive trade, and then why would you not? If you got the opportunity to take 5, 6 trades while risking a very small amount, why would you not take that? Why would you be just watching and observing? You want to make money, you have to be brutal. You have to be cruel to this market. This is what I realized. This is what I was thinking about yesterday. This throughout the weekend, I was like, bro, I was just doing one trade in a day, positive trade. I'm not taking any trade. I'm scared. Yes, it is fine because I'm at that stage. I'm learning. I'm just getting profitable on this trading journey. I'm just getting my ads, just to get to know my ads. I have to refine my ads. I have to backtest my ads. I have to get more confidence on my ads. Yes, this is, I can understand. This is a quite initial stage you are going into, but if you get four trades in a day, positive trades, while risking very small amount. Why would you not do that? And on those four trades, if you got stopped out on once, why would you? It's fine. If you got if you taken two trades, stopped out on four trades, you have taken four trades, two stopped out on twice, and those two stopped out trades should never have to let you affect the fifth trade, the next trade you have to take. Never have to let 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 you have impression on a fifth trade you have to take. Never have to do that. How can you do that? You cannot do that, bro. You cannot do that no matter what. This is what I was thinking about, and I was like, yo, this week I have to be careful. This week I have to during my 8 hours of trading, if I got the opportunity to trade four trades, five trades, I have to be cruel. I have to take profit. I have to take the trade as long as I'm not risking too much. As long as I am, this is an obvious trade. As long as I'm not risking too much, I have to take. I have to even if I have to take five trades, I will take five trades. In that case scenario, if you, for example, if you are down to take five, six, seven trades in a day, you have to. This is also you have to have a mindset of short memory loss. You take a first trade, even though if you got stopped out, or even though if you get, even though it was a positive trade or stopped out, forgot about this. The previous trade you have just taken a minute ago. This is fine. Look for the next trade. Keep your mind open. This thing will keep your mind open as well for the coming perspective on charts or coming initial yeah. And this is what I was saying. This is what it is. I'll be really focusing on this from coming on going forward. So it has again a rejection from the VWAP and the low of the 4 out of a failure gap. But let's see if this time it has a potential to disturb this lower this 5 minute of failure gap. So guys, I'll be back. So yeah, this is what we were discussing. As long as you have an edge on the market, as long as you're risking, as long as it is an obvious trade, as long as you're risking not too much, why would you not take a five trades in a day? You should have to. And considering you have to take five trades, and in that case scenario, you have to be willing to let the previous trades forgot in a second. Feeling cold, man.
Yeah, you can do a lot of other things right now. A choppy session, choppy trading going on. My mobile is. I'm sick of these notifications I get every single day from irrational things like. So that's why I've never had a notification on my social media. Never. It's just TikTok thingy. I keep on getting the notification from this shit. I don't want that shit. I will turn off that as well. Not now. I don't use the social media at all. Just when I have to post something, I just post, and then uh, I feel like today I may post a story, so I'll just post a story. Let's do this first, and then we will be. So we have this 5 minute. I feel like I'm anticipating if it has a potential to. Now this is a 5 minute time for gap in here. So this one. This is a 5 minute time. Let's see if it has a potential to. Because we have seen rejection twice from the 4 out of gap. We are already going down, and I'll be not looking for this previous low, which is unlikely to me. Uh, so just on a 5 minute time frame, looking for this 5 minute time frame if market has a potential to come down. To keep not to go above this high, just anticipating. Let's see if has a potential to play out. This is sorry guys, I'm watching the charts. I'm not saying anything. We anticipate this is a choppy session, so I have to be very careful to take any kind of trade. We have seen rejection from the previous 4 hour time frame fairly gap. We were low as well. We were up as well in here. We have created higher low this range. When it created this inside this week, I was like not to go about this week. Create higher low. At this point, we was anticipating this low and this 5 minute time frame fairly gap. That's it. This could have been your quick scalp trade. You can enter a short position in here. When it's created this week, you are looking for this 5 minute time frame failure gap, just risking this week high. For example, you can enter a trade in here at any point. This is already a 4 hour trade. This is a very good trade, by the way, for a quick scalp. When it created higher lower this range, you are already bearish looking for this low and this 5 minute time frame failure gap. Create higher low, your risk management is defined now. When this candle close, you open your position in the very next candle.
put your stop loss above the previous 1 minute time frame candle. Just went toward opposite. When it create these candles, you put your stop loss there. Initial stop loss is there entering in here. This is a 2 hour trade. But when it come down, you put your stop loss, shift your stop loss above these highs. 4 hour trade, quick scalp trade. Let's see if we can be able to find this kind of trade further on in this session. Just watching and observing this. I love to I love to watch this market, man. I love to watch trade. I love to do trading. I love to go to the gym. I love to meet intelligent people, learn from them, talk with them about life, what they're chasing. Yeah, yeah, I love to do that. Look at these highs. These are, I think these are very close highs. 104,800. 104,800. Exactly, exact highs, man. Look at this high. This high. If you watch it, 104,800, huh? I just wanted to show you one thing. And this high as well. Exactly 104,800. Why just have to go like exactly at this level and then to go down? This is manipulation. This is a real smart money manipulation. You'll always see that. I don't know from here. I'm a little bit of a confusion. Yeah. This is very important. I have to keep my mind open, keep my eyes open. Yes, this is a choppy session, so we will be looking for quick scalps. Okay, and if we can be able to get a scalp trade opportunity, risking very small amount, we will take that. So just this is a trade we could have taken, we was risking very penny, risking very small amount. Even though you cannot a trade on next trade, maybe you could have been risking a little too much, a little bit too much, from 200 all the way to 200 all the way to 350 something. Just wait for the market. It create another rejection candle, another rejection candle. 104, 250. You can enter and put your stop loss just above initial there. After this went down, you put your stop loss there. It is going down. Easy 4 hour trade, man. Easy 4 hour trade. Risking a penny for this trade. This one to all the way in here. Inside, you're already looking for the market to go inside of the 5 minute after fill gap. That's it. That's it. We are done with the session. So we have a time. We are watching and observing the chart. So and let's see if what else can I do. I have to do a digging about something to buy a car. So let me see if what I. Look at this. Definitely, I would have closed my position at this range, but look at this, the way it is going down now. Because we are already bearish now. And yeah, we have to keep your mind. Why the fuck, you idiot, man? Why you don't keep your mind open? Because this is a 4 hour time frame failure gap rejection. Already bearish. These are the things that sometimes I'm really pissed off with myself just because of these kind of silly stuffs I do. What the fuck you are not watching, and you what the heck you are not looking to go for a short at this range because she's a 4 hour time frame failure gap low VWAP as well. Market has already shown twice a rejection. Okay, I did not want to piss off my whole day because of this small mistakes. I just wanted to move on. This is what I used to do before as well. Cussing on. This low. This is a major low. Let's see if this is a major low. I have not defined in here. Here, this is a major low, and let's see if market backtest this area. Let's see if it backtests this area and try to hold or maybe continue to be bearish because we are already bearish. That's why. And just on 5 minute time frame, we in that if we have to continue to be bearish, I wanted to see this 5 minute time frame filling up market, keep it open, and then from here it should have to tends to be bearish for this low, which means it have to respect this 1 minute. So far, with if we watch out this price section, market has shown no intent to go above any of the previous 1 minute time frame candle high. So this is what it has to do if it has to disrupt this low. This is 1 minute previous 1 minute time frame candle high. Just watching and observing. So as you're trading we have inverted this 5 minute time frame fairly gap. If you watch out closed below, I wanted to see this is the previous low as well. Market gave me a low high this range to disrupt this previous low and this low as well. Let's see if it has a potential to do that. And we may go to 102 100 as well. And on this chart this is this low 1025. This is too much difference. 102 500 and 101 500, like 102 200 approximately in here, and then this week is in here. This is what I was thinking about. Yeah, we're bearish. There's no denying we can be going all the way in here as well. 102 200 as well. Maybe if you could get the opportunity to trade all the way down here, you would not take that. I would take that. So just keep your mind open, keep your eyes open. Look at this rejection from the previous low. It's 11 of 5 now. This could have been a good scalp trade, man. You're risking just a penny. What do you think this 4 hour time frame market has the potential to come down to disrupt this low? Which is possible. The reason the weight has this 4 hour time frame, the weight has just tapped into this. The weight has just tapped into the inside this 4 hour time frame fairly gap. It's highly likely we are going down for this low. Highly likely. We are already bearish. So yeah. It means this is my top on charts, local top. 30, this is my local top on charts, 30-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame. Let's see how this 8 minutes go on charts. If it create fairly gap in here. This is my local top I'm anticipating. If it has to come down to 1 or 2 200 approximately on this chart, the low is in here. If you watch out and just on a bigger picture time frame. At this low, 101,500. This 15, this is 7 8 minutes is very important. If I'm anticipating market has to come down for this low, this is my top. This 15-minute after fill gap I wanted to see in here. If it has a potential to create that, we have this 5-minute time fill gap as well already. This is also a 5-minute time fill gap, which is what in here we have highlighted here. Is this one? If I could, I'm anticipating on this 4 hour time frame market uh, could continue to be bearish here for this previous major low. And in that case scenario, I've anticipated this previous 4 hour time frame candle is my top. If we go all the way to 15-minute time frame, this is my top, and this is the fairly gap it could create after this 6 minutes. And if it creates this 15-minute time frame fairly gap in here, around about this is 1 minute time frame, around about is 15-minute time frame. I wanted to see that on 15-minute time frame. If market went toward upper side, give me a higher low, then I maybe look to go for a short, or maybe it has not to go down. Maybe it could be bullish from here. And because we're bearish, I'm anticipating this 4 hour time market should have to be bearish. This is what I will be looking for if market has a potential to do that inside this 15-minute time frame fail gap, or just tab into that 15-minute time fail gap. And we cannot deny we have already inverted this 5-minute time frame fail gap. We have this, considering if you watch out, if market has to go down from here, this 5-minute time frame fail gap, I wanted to see market keeping it open. This high will be the 15-minute time frame candle high, which is the low of the previous major low as well. This line, no, this is too far down. This is previous major low. I know that. That's it. If I could show in here, where's this low? This low, and I can do one thing in here. I'm chasing. What is this chart? Oh, what is this chart, man? I already highlighted this low before. Maybe I removed this that before. But so let's see how it will perform. We have 4 minutes left. And considering the element of time, this is 11:10 now. 11:30 to 12 market remain do really did not do nothing. This is more for like the end of the morning session and the start of the afternoon session. And you cannot deny, you can anticipate that throughout 11:30 to 12 market could remain inside this range. And after 12, 12:30, start of the afternoon session, I'll be looking for this price action. I'll be just looking for a quick scalp. Maybe because we are bearish, you can take the trade and hold. You should definitely take profit, most of the profit, and hold the trade. As long as you're shorting for a buy position, you have to be, because we're trading with reversal, so I'll be aggressive at taking this. This is could have been a good scalp, man. This could have been a good scalp. I was anticipating a bearish price action from here. If we will gap tap into this, this is already a sign. Already rejection from the low of the 4 hour time. We will gap twice. When it get low high this range, I was like, can go for a short. Another low high can go for a short. This low, this 5 minute time will gap. That's it. I was risking very small amount. Let's look at this. It is going down already. Cannot deny this is already going down. So far, it has not shown no intent to go any above the previous 1 minute FM high. Which is this? These are highs. No intent to go above any of the previous 1 minute FM high. This low is at 128.16, 128.70. So yeah, if it will be great if market left these low and then try to be bullish from here and remain choppier sideways in this afternoon session. We have 3 minutes left for the hourly close. Look at another low high. If you're really confident that market is aggressively bearish and it is going to go down from here, and you can just go for a short, putting a stop loss above this high. Looking for all of those lows this low because we are bearish. That's why. Until it will be creating this 5 minute time frame, 15 minute time frame fairly gap in here. You can go for a short at this point, just putting a stop loss above this high for this low, at least this low, and then you can anticipate continuation for all the 110 500 as well. You can go for a short, man. It's a 15-minute time frame closes down. We have this big, massive 15-minute time frame fill gap, and I don't think so. Market is going to go above to that level now. Maybe it is possible because we have this afternoon session is coming up. It will be great if market go toward upper side. I'll be looking forward to go for a short inside this range. But if it has to continue to be very from here, this can be a stop loss. Just anticipating a short, not taking the short right now, but anticipating if it could play it out. The stop loss will be above this 1 minute time frame failure gap. We are already going down. We will be looking for 1 to 200 approximately. Let's see. 6 hour trade. For example, I went for a short in here. In here. 4 hour trade. If it could give me. Look at this. It will show never any. It will show no intent to go above the previous above the highs if it has to go down. Now your stop loss should be above this high, keeping it tight. We enter in here and on this candle it closed like this. This is already a wick below the previous. This was initial stop loss. Now your second stop loss is there. If this could play out 4 hour trade. Oh, 14 hour trade. We're risking just a very small amount of penny. Can I go for a short? Or should I have to just watch and observe? Fuck you, really, man. Sometimes I'm pissed off with myself. Okay. I'm asking myself this question: can I go for a short? I'm pissing myself right now. The reason is that why I did not took this trade. Why I was using the fucking mobile. They would have pissed off myself why I've done that. But I have to do some real journaling. Considering yesterday how it went and today. Yeah, okay, it's fine. Okay, it's fine. Session could be choppy, yeah, but you will have waste your whole day. You're in front of the charts for just to watch and observe. Fuck you, idiot! Are you? You're like, okay, it's session is choppy. You for it's session is choppy. You look for a scalp, man. Open your eyes. You will waste your whole day. Considering this session was choppy, you can do that. No, you cannot do that, man. Why would you? Why would you do not look for a scalp trade at this range? You bitch, man. And this is not the first time it happened. Okay, just don't focus on right now. Let's see. It has happened. It happens sometime. You're a bitch, man. Let's see. And if you go to just on this chart, look at this, we are trading very close to this previous major low. So it should have to disrupt this low. Look, this is already a sign keeping this 15 minute half gap open and closing at this range. Already a sign. Market wants to go to one. So I wanted to see one or two 200 approximately. It has to go there. So that's why I'm chasing uh, this low. That's it.